Well, hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. You know what? Apple Month is coming to a close, and I decided to end it with my thing I'm most excited about. I'm making a caramel apple eclair cake. What? As a child, chocolate eclair cake was always my favorite cake. But a caramel apple eclair cake? I'm ready to try it. I'm gonna need to cut about 5 to 6 apples and put those into a pot. Add a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll be cooking this over a medium heat until nice and tender, stirring occasionally. Nice and tender. If you're noticing a lot of liquid forming, you can mix in about a teaspoon of flour and let it thicken up. Allow those apples to cool. Next, it calls for 2 boxes of French vanilla instant pudding, but I'm being naughty and I'm using 1 box of French vanilla and 1 box of butterscotch. Let's put that in a bowl. Add 3 cups of milk and whisk it together. Stir in a cup of sour cream. And we're gonna fold in an 8-ounce container of whipped topping. I have a box of cinnamon graham crackers. I'll be layering those on the bottom of the pan, baking dish, 13 by 9. Half of the apple mixture and half of that pudding mixture. Another layer of the graham crackers and repeat. Add 1 final layer of graham crackers. I bought a thing of that caramel dip and I put it in the microwave and softened it a bit. I'll be pouring this over the top layer. Wow, this is going to be incredible. Now you just have to chill it in the fridge for up to 24 hours before serving. Wow. Well, here it is. Let's give it a try. Wow. Shut the front door. This is a wonderful cake. What a great way to welcome fall. It's amazing. And it's something you can try as well in your house. It is so exciting to try new and fun things. Hope you have a great day. Take care. What is worse than finding a worm in your apple? Finding a snake.